Hey guys, welcome back again to Gilo's Kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you how to make spices, Haitian spices. You know, Haitian always have some spices when they doing their meat, when they cooking the meat, and they have their own spices they put on it. So this is the way we make our spices. Everybody make it different, but I'm gonna show you how I make it by myself. So watch me and I'm gonna show you. Okay, what we have to make it, I have poiro, what we call scallion. I think scallion. This is scallion. And we have garlic, and we have those peppers. We have red, we have yellow, and we have orange. I supposed to have the green one too, but I don't have it. That's not gonna stop me not to do it. So we're gonna do it with what I have. So what I do, I take my blender. This is the first time I'm gonna use it because I don't usually put anything like acid, lemon on my spicy, because you know you put it on every food. You don't want to put lemon in your sauce pois. You don't want to put lemon on your and on whatever, on rice, when you're cooking rice, when you're cooking cornmeal, you don't want to put lemon on it. But this is not lemon, but I have it here. I don't want to waste it, so I'm gonna use it as liquid to make the epis. Usually I make it with oil, but I know this one is still not gonna be enough. I'm gonna add some oil on it anyway. So I'm gonna use it today on that one because I don't want to throw it away. I bought it, I don't want to throw it away. Okay, so I'm gonna use that, and then I'm gonna use some oil to put on it. I have some thyme, and I have those spicy, the dry spicy to mix with it. I'm gonna start with this one. My hands wash already. As you can see, all these things, they were already washed, so my hands are clean. Okay, I'm gonna use that as liquid. It's not that bad, but it's sour. Okay, so I'm gonna use them to put them in the spice epis, and I'm gonna put some oil. Okay, and we're gonna put some of this. It probably make two. I don't know if it's gonna be one blender. Let's see what's going on. Okay. You can put, sometimes I put onions on it. I have onions. I'm gonna put some onions on it. Some people put like vinegar. Some people like put like ginger. This is the way they know how to make it. But I don't want to put ginger on my spicy, because ginger, you're gonna put your food on everything. Every meat that you're doing, that you're cooking, you put your spicy on it. You're gonna put ginger on fish. You're gonna put ginger on chicken. You're gonna put ginger on your sauce pois. So I don't put ginger on it. If you want to put it, it's not up to me, but I don't put ginger on it. Okay? All right. Okay, so no pal blend deli. Like I said, I don't put ginger, I don't put vinegar, because these things are too sour. So I don't want to put them on every food that I'm cooking. So I just do it. That little lemon that I put on it, it's because I don't want to throw it away. That's why I put it on it. If it's too sour, I'm not gonna put it on everything. I'm gonna put some dry spices on it. This is Madame Gugu seasoning salt. I'm gonna put some of it. Why is it sticky? I'm gonna put a little bit of it because when I'm making my epis, I don't really use too much Maggi on it, cubes. That's what I use mostly. Et si vous voulez mettre 2-3 graines Maggi là-dedans tout, m'a mettre Maggi encore dans manger. This is ground black pepper. Et qui t'a bien pile piment oui là. Mettez un petit bat là dans ça. Okay, now I'm making a ground clove because my kids don't like when they chewing clove when they eating. So I use the powder instead of the whole one. As you can see, it's a little bit white because I didn't have enough red pepper for it. But I think the spicy will make it a little bit better. As you can see, the color is already changed. But I'm gonna blend it again to make it very, very smooth. Okay, you can close it now. Okay guys, we're done with the spice, with the epis. One more and we'll be done. Okay, we're done. All right. Like I said, my hands were clean. I cannot. Epis is so good, guys. So good. It's so good. You see it? You see it? And I'm gonna pour it on my container that I save my epis. Okay? Oh my God. Look at that, guys. Look at that. You put a little bit on your food, you don't need nothing else. Okay? Okay, guys. Okay. Alright. So, si vous avez aimé la vidéo, si vous avez aimé, un thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to put on your post notification. I don't want you to miss anything. I will be mad if you miss anything. Make sure you subscribe and turn on your post notification. Alright? I will be seeing you again on the next video. Give it a thumbs up. Like, if you can give it 20, give it 20. If you can give it 100, give it 100. I love you so much, guys. I'll see you again for the next video. Mwah. Ciao, ciao.